Stock market investment is not simple.
It's never that simple.
Picking stocks aside, when you log into your trading account and set out to buy a new stock, you may feel overwhelmed by the options and abbreviations. One such is CNC. Hello everybody, I am Vaishnavi and welcome to aliceblue Online. In this video, we are going to learn all about CNC. We have already covered MIS, Margin Intraday Square Off, in detail in separate videos. Here we shall discuss all about CNC. CNC means cash and carry. This is to do with the delivery of shares. What is the delivery of shares? First, let us find out what is meant by CNC order. CNC or cash and carry is used when you are buying the stock to hold it in your portfolio for more than one day, unlike intraday orders in which the stock is sold on the same day. Thus, CNC is used for delivery-based trade. Delivery-based trade is when you want the company shares to reflect in your demat account. The delivery of stock takes place after 2 days. It is then that the shares reflect in your demat account. When it comes to selling a stock, you have to have sufficient holdings in your demat account. Remember, CNC is just the product type. It does not restrict you from selling the stock on the same day. If a stock is in the open position in CNC type, you can still sell it, but the trade will be considered intraday and the brokerage will be charged accordingly. Now, what is the margin on a CNC order? aliceblue provides up to 5 times the margin on CNC order. For example, you can buy shares worth Rs 50,000 with only Rs 10,000. Also, we share zero brokerage on CNC orders. Check out the detailed margin breakup of aliceblue. Now let's talk about the benefits of CNC order. There are 3 benefits of CNC order. First, that there is no charge for executing CNC orders. Next is that CNC orders are relatively safer because no margin play is involved. You also get the delivery of shares against the amount you have paid. In case losses happen, they will be restricted to the amount you paid, unlike in MIS order in which you bear the losses on the margin money too. Now let's find out the differences between CNC and MIS order. The major difference between CNC and MIS orders, as you may have already understood, is in the timing of the trade execution. CNC orders are bought only if you want to hold the stock in your portfolio. This could be for more than 2 days, 2 weeks, months, or even years. MIS orders are bought when you have to execute an intraday trade, that is, buying and selling the stock on the same day. Another major difference is that you don't get margin in CNC type. For example, if you have Rs 10,000 in your trading account and the share price is Rs 100 per share, you can only buy 100 shares of the particular stock in the CNC type. However, with an MIS order, you can buy shares for more than the amount you have in the trading account, depending on the margin your brokerage provides. The open positions are squared off automatically the same day in MIS order, not in CNC order, in which the delivery takes place after T+2 days. You can convert MIS order to CNC and CNC order to MIS. Now I'll tell you how to place a CNC order in aliceblue. These are the steps that would help you to place a CNC order easily. First, choose the stock or F&O of your choice. Now select whether you want to buy or sell the stock. Select CNC, which stands for cash and carry. Then select whether you want to place a market order or a limit order. Now enter the quantity and price in case of limit order. Lastly, enter the trigger price at which you would like to pocket the gains. That is how simple it is. Well, that was everything regarding CNC order. I hope that the video has cleared all your doubts and given you a brief idea about CNC order. Thank you so much for watching. For more such informative videos, make sure that you're subscribed to aliceblue Online. This is Vaishnavi signing off. I will see you in the next video.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.